Meme Africa, oh meme Africa. Meme Africa, oh meme Africa. Watu mbandula biwana vya Afrika. Watu mbandula shashi nyemwetu kwa fera. Mekondo letu yelo shilongo shetu ye. Meme Africa, oh meme Africa. Meme Africa, meme Africa. Meme Africa, oh meme Africa. Watu mbandula biwana vya Afrika. Watu mbandula shashi nyemwetu kwa fera. Mekondo letu yele manguruko mama. Meme Africa, oh mother Africa, oh mama Africa, oh mama Africa, oh yeah. Watu mbandula shiwa na shangola na Zambia Tanzania na Mozambique na Zimbabwe na Botswana Nigeria Ethiopia na Congo Benin Algeria na Libya na Ghana na Cameroon na Sierra Leone Africa Alice Africa oh meme meme Africa oh mama Africa oh mama Africa oh mama Africa. This song is a song dedicated to Meme Africa, that's Mother Africa, dedicated to her in her struggle against colonialism, neo-colonialism, apartheid, imperialism, and all the social evil forces that tries to undermine the march of the African people to self-determination, national independence, development and progress. In particular, the song is dedicated to the frontline states, the People's Republic of Angola, the Republic of Zambia, the United Republic of Tanzania, the People's Republic of Mozambique, the Republic of Zimbabwe, the Republic of Botswana, including the Federal Republic of Nigeria.